Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. And it is day 27 of Follow a Sketch February, which is this sketch right here. We got two photos, some fun little pattern papers that are coming in, a little circle element going up. So the circle element, I thought I would play with some light and fluffy modeling paste from the Crafter's Workshop. You guys, this thing is so light. I was not expecting that. And we're going to use this Vicky Booten stencil here to kind of create that. My personal prompt for today is a crimper. Ow. I just totally pinched myself and I'm not 100% sure why I did that. I have not used this thing in forever, so I thought it would be fun to crimp some paper. Not real sure. I think we're going to do it the ones behind the mat. Let's move my sody pop out the way. I'm also going to use the last of my little color cast designs here. This was the January box. This was in the February box, and I've got this out to remember to use it for some of my winter layouts that I need to complete because it is a beautiful day outside. So we're going to scrap for a little bit, and then we're going to take the dogs on a walk because Mago's asked and we agreed. I do have these two photos here. This is my birthday, so one of the ladies that work for me bought a whole bunch of these fun cupcakes for my birthday, and then one of the guys that worked for me bought me pizza from the food truck, and it was a good day. Anytime you feed me, it's a good day. And I'm going to use one of the kits from the scrap room. And because we don't really celebrate New Year's, so I thought we could use some of these to get that on there. Definitely going to use that black cardstock, and then pull in probably this sheet, because if this has got stars on it, so this right here can be the stars and the stickers. And then the only other thing that I need to look at is that's a lot. See if I can pull any of these to crimp. I kind of like that camera to fussy cut because, you know, my product focus for the month is getting these guys used up. And I think we'll use both of those. Okay. And we'll put that one back. So we'll map my photos in that little fun. And that's like, I'm going to ink the edges with a pink that matches that. So let's see what's in here. Anything that I might... Nope. What about clear? Oh, I can cut this out and make a shaker pocket out of it somehow. How can I do that? I'll figure it out. Because I'm trying to use these. I just don't use them, you guys. I don't play with these. And as you can see, I've made a dent in them, but which is kind of impressive, but yeah. So what I was thinking is we'll go ahead and ink the edges up of those two. All right. What is going to match this collection best? I think it's going to be that one. We're going to go with saltwater taffy and a little worn lipstick. Because why not, right? Whoa. Aw, it's got blue on it. Alright, I have to go clean this out because it got blue on it. How did it get blue on it? Really is the question. Alright, so this is going to be washed off. Fiddlesticks. Okay. So, let's do this. Let's just go to the old, like, these things are a thing of the past. So we're just going to ink the edges up, and then I'm going to crimp these guys. But see what I mean? They're just like distress. So we're just gonna ink the top and bottom in the saltwater taffy. So, how is everybody's February going? It's almost over. I cannot believe it. It has been crazy. I feel like I'm going to have to make one smaller, so we're going to have to go quite a bit bigger. So, while I finish this up and get my photos trimmed, and then I'll get this guy trimmed up, and then we'll be back and I'll run it through the crimper, but I'll get some other stuff done before we do that. So give me un momento and I'll be right back. Alright, who's ready to experiment? So this is what I've got done, and I am going to actually turn the sketch so that the photos are going to go here. And then here, like so. But we've got to crimp this, right? So I guess we do that, and then we, or no. Oh, you guys, that was funny. That was fun. So you just like stick it in this little machine. Fun tool. I think it's the first time I've ever used it. Well, that's just cool. I did them wrong too, but it's okay. It's okay. Excuse me. And you know what? I didn't account for that. So it's going to be shorter. Okay, there's that one, and then this one. It's going to be shorter all around, and I'm just roughly trimming it now at this point, you guys. Because it's all uneven anyway, so are you going to be able to tell? Probably not. I'll just pop that right there. We've got those done. And did we want to go this way? Like so. And then I want to fussy cut these two things out. I want to make a shaker. So this actually needs to go like this. And am I okay with that? Because I can actually do it. I've got the crimp going in the wrong way. Alright, so I do like that. just going to pop this down. And let's get this one down. Girls are going crazy. They went for a walkie today, so they think they're uber super cool. All right. So I'm going to fussy cut this. I'm going to trim this and figure out how to make it a shaker, which what I need to do. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut around that, and then I'm going to trace it. Yeah. So what I'm going to, I got to figure that out. What I got to do is figure out how to cover up where the foam is going to go, right? So give me a minute and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got that fussy cut out put there. I fussy cut out the camera and got that popped over there. We've got lovely on. And since this was my 43rd birthday, we're going to go ahead and put that. Because this is like the Happy New Year's, and we don't celebrate the New Year's. So I thought I would be a good time. We could use it for my birthday. So let's get that one there. And we'll put the gold, that one there, and then we'll grab this other little balloon and pop him right there, and then I'll get a banner. Let's see. It says, let's pop that up on some foam. I did get some new scissors. I don't think I like them because I like the big hole in this one. So I'm probably just going to have to break down and get and order some new close to my heart ones. Tis what it is. So if you guys haven't signed up for my mixed media class, please let me know. You can sign up till the 28th, 29th. But it has to be by noon on the 29th because there is a kit that comes with it, and I have to be able to order it and send it to you to get to our first F3 classes. So if you want more information, just leave me a comment down below or head to the Facebook group. All right, what else do we have? And this is fairly a simple layout, but you can pull in the stars and that one new, put him over here, kind of spread those out, and we'll put that little cluster there, and then we'll put this little cluster here, and I want to add some bling, so let's do this. And I used all of that Color Cast design up. I am not affiliated with them, but if you guys seriously need to head over, because I love their products. I get the monthly subscription kits. Here's the information. Hopefully you can read that. It's not zooming in. focusing, I guess. I don't know. And then we're just going to pop in some of these little crystals. And that's going to be the layout. The Cloud Whip is really just a very thin modeling paste. I did like it. I thought it was fairly interesting to use. So I'm just gonna pop these guys in, and once that glue dries, it will dry clear. Which is good. So we took the girls for a walk today because it was super nice weather, and now they're very wore out. Maggie got to snoot and sniff things that she forgot existed in the world. Because it's been cold, and she's been like looking out the window. There were workers outside, and we were laughing. She's like, hey guys, my name's Maggie. I got a stingray. You want to see my stingray? It's her favorite toy right now is a stingray. And she carries it up the stairs and down the stairs and up the stairs. I find it in bed. So I'm just trying to find all the same shapes and sizes and just get them plopped in. And that guy might have had a little bit too much on it underneath it, but that's okay. Because like I said, it's the art glitter glue. It dries clear, so it's not really going to matter anyway. Okay. And I did create the shaker pocket. If you see there, I used one of the December 2023 collections from Spiegel Mom's Scraps Love Captured. And that's going to do it for our layout today. So, very impressed. Oh, there was something underneath there. And here is our sketch, so we can mark that as completed. And I used the crimper, and we are good to go. So don't forget to check everyone else out that is playing along with Follow a Sketch of February. There's only a few more days. I know it's the 27th, so we have at least 2 more days because there are 29 days this month because it is leap year. Also on the 29th, there's a really fun hop that is a leap year hop where we're to use 29 items of things, like certain individual things, just to get 29 items on there, I guess. Not all the same, but individually speaking. So I'm going to get this put back in its proper collection so that I'm trying to keep them together so that I can get them used up. And eventually I won't have a backlog. So that's going to do it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out, and I'll check you later with another video. Bye.